Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's make a coffee potpourri. What could possibly smell better than coffee? Honestly, I love the scent of coffee in the morning, and this spiced coffee potpourri will smell like you've made a fresh pot all day long. It has coffee beans as well as cinnamon sticks, coffee grounds, and vanilla extract. This is an amazing scent, especially if you like coffee, and it has a wonderful odor covering property. Not to mention that through the multitude of ways to boost your mood or relax through the power of aromatherapy, you also have homemade air freshener as simmering potpourri. Use a cup of leftover coffee grounds, a fourth of a cup of whole coffee beans, 4 cinnamon sticks, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then add about 2 liters of water. Stovetop potpourri seems to spread fragrance better than any candle or air freshener can. Making it is easy too. Grab some things that smell nice. Throw them in a pot, add water and simmer. Quantities don't matter here as long as you have enough liquid in the pot so that things don't burn, you're good to go. If the liquid starts to get low, just add more. They're perfect for days when you're hosting a house full of company or you're hanging out at home. Don't leave the house with the Stovetop potpourri going. It's a great way to reuse coffee grounds too. Plus, this coffee smell air freshener actually combines some other subtle smells too. It's more like a coffee cake aroma. Just think of waking up to the smell of coffee brewing and the cake baking. And this is what this simmering potpourri smells like. Delicious! This simple air freshener uses wholesome ingredients, not artificial chemicals, which means you don't have to worry about breathing in the smell. Bring the water to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer. Your home will be infused with a yummy coffee smell air freshener that reminds you of coffee cake baking in the oven. When you want to add a coffee smell to your home or office without actually brewing a cup of coffee, then this DIY coffee smell air freshener recipe is for you. With more and more people using single-serve coffee pods, the smell of coffee drifting through the house isn't as common as it used to be, which makes this coffee smell air freshener so good to use. Coffee Aroma actually has 800 different aromatic compounds. In fact, that is more aromatic compounds than any other beverage, including wine, which only has 200-300 aromatic compounds. Around 11% of these compounds smell like chocolate, which can explain why we love Coffee Aroma so much. When we smell coffee aroma, it's like a symphony of scents for your brain, full of a variety of different scents at varying strengths based on how the coffee beans were roasted or ground. And just smelling these aromatic compounds without even tasting them can improve your mood just as much as drinking a cup of coffee. I wish you could smell my home right now. It smells like a fancy coffee shop. This is just one recipe for your simmering pot, but you can make so many different ones. You can even do them according to the season. I have on my channel other recipes, a spring potpourri, a summery one, a cozy fall one, a winter one. If you're interested, I will link my potpourri playlist at the end. Please let me know in the comments below if you like coffee scent. I hope today's video inspired you to make your own coffee simmering pot. You can even personalize it. You can add mulling spices, cardamom pods, star anise, or allspice berries. It's easy to mix and match to create your own custom scent. This recipe will keep your house smelling good all day long. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!